Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 super simple but really cute Christmas ornaments. All right, y'all, super easy craft number 1. So super easy. I don't think it can get any easier than this. But anyway, I got these 2 items from Hobby Lobby. If you don't like Hobby Lobby, don't shop there. I got these 2 items from Hobby Lobby. These are just simple little ribbon bows. They're already made, and they have a twist tie around the center. Now these are just little green leaf wreaths, and they are meant for you to use, you know, to decorate packages and whatnot, but we're gonna make some ornaments. And then I have this twine. This came from Walmart, I believe. But anyway, this is something really easy. I do a lot of crafts for nursing homes and, you know, children's groups and, you know, things like that. This is just something easy that they could put together, or even a family craft night, you know. So we're going to be making 3. So let's get out 3 bows. And these are so easy to attach because, see, they have, like I said, they have these little twist ties there. Now these already come in a little circular shape. I'm just going to fluff up the leaves here. And you can see it has this wire here that's just holding everything together. So they're not going to come apart. See, you don't even have to glue these or anything. Now we're going to, let's just take this and we can use it to make a tie. However you want to tie yours, or whatever you want to use. Twine, you know, regular old twine would be cute. So I'm just kind of tying this into a knot, and my cat's trying to come in. Hold on. Cat has separation anxiety. Bless her heart. I thought she was asleep and I was trying to be quiet. But anyway, I'm just going to take the loop part and go into your wreath. See the loop? Go in like so. And then just bring that through. And let's just try to tighten this up together. Like so. Let's get that around that leaf right there. Okay. And now there's your little hangy part. So now you take these and just bend this up. See, no gluing. You don't even have to glue this. Really cool for kids. Now let's see, how do I want to attach this? Let's just make them go up and down like that, I think. Yeah, that'll work. And then let's take the top one and we can go through. Hold on, let me grab this. Take the top one and go through. See where I've kind of split that? Just go through there. And then we're going to take the other one and wrap it around. And then just twist it together in the back, and that is that. So let me get this the way I want it. Let's see, which way did I go? Aha, she's trying to climb up my leg now. Now just twist these together and you have an ornament. Okay, so I've got this on there. Got my cat settled. Okay, and then just bring your bow down. Let's just try to get it, you know, right where we want it. And then the good thing with that being wired there is it just holds itself in place. Now, if you want to put a spot of glue on the back of it, just to make double sure that it's held in place, no problem. Just put a blob of hot glue or whatever glue you want to use. But anyway, super cute and a super easy ornament. All right, let's start another one. This stuff came from Hobby Lobby as well. But anyway, we have these liquid chalk markers. You get 2 for $2.99. And there's a stack of these little black buckets. Isn't this cute? I got these over like in the like the party section, you know, party favors. Let's zoom out. Party favors and whatnot. But anyway, $4.99. And then I got a pack of these sparkly pom-poms. And this is another super easy craft that is good to do with children's groups. So let's get one, and they're not really slick, they're kind of rough, and that's going to work out for us here in a second. So let me get these chalk markers out and see if I need to prime it. You know how you have to prime chalk markers? I don't think so. But anyway, on this bucket, which my handwriting is atrocious, I'll tell you that. We're going to write Snowballs 5 cents. So let's see where we can write that. And you can just wipe this off with a damp cloth. If you don't like your handwriting, but I want it to look handwritten. That's why I'm not, you know, making a label or anything for it. So let's just write that on there. Okay, that's pretty cute. Looks like a little kid wrote on it and they're selling snowballs. But anyway, now I have this styrofoam ball. I'm just going to put just a little bit of hot glue just right around the edge here. And then we are going to stick the styrofoam ball right down in there, and we're going to let that set up. So this styrofoam ball here, you get 6 of them. These are the 2.8-inch sizes. They were $4.99. But anyway, we're going to let that glue set up just for a second, and then we're going to glue on some pom-poms. And while that is setting up, I'm just going to take this twine here, just like, oh, did I cut too much? I think I did. But anyway, just like we did on the previous ornament, we're just going to make a hanger. I'm going to trim some of this off. Like I said, this is way too much. Okay, now let's just take our handle here, and I'm just going to run this around. Whoa! Run this around the handle. Let's see, I'm trying to not bump that. Do I have this straight? Probably not. Okay, and pull that up, and that makes your hanger. All right, so, okay. All right, so now let's take these pom-poms, and I'm just going to glue these pom-poms all over this styrofoam ball. I open it first. So there are big ones and there are small ones. Let's see, this bag was $2.99, but it was on sale. Let's see, there's the bigger ones, and then there's like some medium-sized ones. So let's see. I'm just going to start gluing them all over. Put that there. You can use whatever glue you want. I'm just using hot glue. Okay, so I'm just going to glue these all over. Okay, I'm going to call this done. And how cute is that? I should have moved my 5 over a little bit, but it's okay. I can do that later. Like I said, it just wipes off with a damp cloth. Then, you know, let your surface dry, and then you can rewrite it all you want to with these markers, which is a cool thing. But anyway, if you are going to be making this like for a group, then you're going to need a handful of these pom-poms, okay? Because I used, I think, 25 of the medium-sized ones on here, and then I just kind of filled in the gaps with some of the small ones, so keep that in mind. But anyway, our bucket of snowball ornament is complete. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so now we are back for our last craft here with our styrofoam balls. 2.8 inches, same ones that we used a while ago. We also have these blinged out cake pop sticks. I think these were on sale when I got them. But anyway, look at your craft stores. You can use any kind of stick you want. I just thought these were cool because they had all the rhinestones and everything on them. So we're going to be using these. Just get one out here. Now, listen, you can paint the styrofoam ball if you want to before putting on the glitter, whatever you want to do. For me, I don't think I'm going to paint it this time. I think I'm just going to leave it as is. Now, I'm going to put just a little bit of hot glue down in there. Please be careful. I've got my glue gun here set to low temp, and I'm using a low temp glue stick so that it doesn't melt through the styrofoam. But I'm just going to hold this in place for a minute or so and let that glue harden. Okay, so now I have my raggedy can of Mod Podge over here. Hold on, let me get that open. See, Mod Podge, and I've explained this before. I know the can looks raggedy, but this is another one that's fun for kids to do. Now I have this sitting on a paper plate that's going to catch the excess glitter when we're pouring it on there so that we don't waste it. But anyway, I'm just going to use this foam brush here. And I'm just going to dab, 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 dab on the styrofoam ball here. And you see this stick here really helps to hold the ball while you're putting the Mod Podge on. But I'm going to put this Mod Podge, I don't know, about halfway down, and then I'm going to sprinkle glitter. Okay, that took me just a second. But now I'm going to put glitter on here, and then we're going to shake off the glitter, and then I'm going to pour it back into the container. Okay, and then we will hold it upright, and then we will put the Mod Podge and the glitter on the other side. Like I said, depending on how, you know, dense your glitter is, you really don't need to waste the paint or the time painting the styrofoam ball, okay? Especially if you're doing this with kids. Glitter is messy enough. So if you don't want to make it any messier, then you can just do this. Like I said, I like to put on 2 coats of glitter. So we can do that. Now I'm just going to pour this glitter back into this container, and then we'll do the top part. So all the glitter has been poured back in, and now we'll just do the top part here. Same as we did just a second ago. And then we'll just pour on the glitter. I like watching the glitter stick to the Mod Podge. I don't know, that's just me. I just find it like satisfying. Like, ooh. There's a fly. I see a fly in here. Oh, well, I was pouring some resin and I had my window cracked. And I'm like, okay, I don't have to worry about a fly. It's cold outside. Nope, here he is. He's making his grand entrance. All right. So now we just pour this on. Now, I'm going to let this set up and dry for a little bit. And then I'm going to do a second coat of glitter and Mod Podge, okay? And then we will seal it with Mod Podge. So once you have all the glitter on everywhere and it has dried, just take your Mod Podge and paint on a final layer, and that's going to seal all of that glitter in. Okay, so I think that this is all set up. So now, once again, I'm just using this because this is what I have on hand, okay? And I got glitter all over my hands. But like I said, I think that this is set up. If it's not, then oh well. But anyway, I'm just going to take this. You see how I just kind of like made a loop there? Now I'm just taking a paintbrush, trying to get it here in the, kind of not exactly in the center, kind of like on the center and then back a little bit, okay? Because we're going to put a pom-pom up here that's going to serve like as the cherry on top. Okay, I'm going to try to hold this. Like I said, I think it's set up down in there just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. This hasn't heated up all the way. It's okay. And then just take the ends of your rope and stick down in that hole. And then I'm going to use the paintbrush to kind of just poke it down in there and hold it till it sets up. Okay, so our hanger is in there. Now we're back with our little pom-poms. Remember the bag that we used a while ago I had gotten from Hobby Lobby? These are the little tiny ones that are left that I didn't use a while ago. So hold still. Try not to let this roll around. We are just going to start gluing on the tiny ones on top to kind of look like frosting, okay? So we're going to just put a little bit here. And you're just going to have to stick this on there and then kind of hold everything in place, okay? And I'm just going to glue these just all over to make it look like frosting. And this is going to take me a minute. So I'm just going to glue them on and then we'll come back. And then, of course, you can see what it looks like. Okay, so most of my pom-poms are glued on here. I didn't even count them. I just used a whole handful. And now I have this red one that I'm going to put on the very top. Put right here. That can be like our cherry on top. Just hold that there. Now you can glue whatever else you want on here. You know, like you can get those little little sprinkles, like little clay sprinkles. Whatever you want to put on here. Beads, some green beads. That would be really cute. Just whatever you want to put on there. I'll see what else I got over here. If I have anything else I want to add to it. May not. I'm looking around right here while I'm holding this glue. I don't know. I might find something here in a second and we'll see what else I can put on here. But I think it's cute just the way it is. That'd be something fun for kids. But anyway, like I said, let me take a look over here and see what else I got. Okay, this vase filler, this came from Dollar Tree. I have seen some at Hobby Lobby. I didn't see any green though. I think at Hobby Lobby I saw gold, red, and silver. And I saw the gold and I think it was silver that I saw at Dollar Tree. I probably should put a paper plate under this. But I'm just putting a blob of glue. Hold on. I'm just putting a blob of glue right there. Then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of these on, like so. I'll just kind of press them into place. And then I'll clean all these up. But I'm just going to glue these in place here and there. I'll clean these up, put a blob of hot glue, and then just put more sprinkles. But anyway, once I get it all done, you'll see the picture coming up. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would, please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye.